Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the color of your pointer on MacBook. So in order to do this, let's open our system preferences and from here navigate to accessibility. Find the display, click on it and then go for the pointer. Here you'll be able to change the pointer outline color like this, so pick whichever color you want to use. Now go for the pointer fill color and do the same thing. So for example, let's pick this green one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.